Yeah, so the new water treatment plant will use technologies that are very similar as far as the treatment process, right? There will be additional technology, there will be a lot more instrumentation and control, and so it'll be a different plant. We'll also think of it as two plants in one as far as the level of redundancy that's built into this plant. So it's different in that aspect to our existing plant. But the treatment process as far as lime softening, the type of chemicals that we use, the type of filtration that we use in the settling, those will all be very similar to what we're doing now because our raw water sources are the same. We've still got Cheney Reservoir, we've still got the Ecclesbeds well fields, we still have ASR and our local well field here. So all those raw water sources, the treatment process that we use right now, very effective. We put out some really, really high quality good finished water. But to circle back to the question that you had a while ago about some of the things that we do, even though our water treatment plant is at the near the end of its useful life, we've got a lot of good life and use out of the existing water treatment plant. There's a few things that you have to do when a plant's at this age, right? You have to pick your failures. You have to understand what can break and what you can fix on failure, what you have to stay out in front of, and then you have a very aggressive maintenance plan. For instance, with our settling basins, we take those down twice a year, once in the spring, once in the fall. Go through it with a fine-tooth comb to make sure that any parts that are worn or that might break down, that those are replaced and they're like new. Then for those long lead item parts and pieces that are hard to get a hold of, we have to make sure that we've got a robust inventory of those things so that they're right there on the shelf that we can reach out and get. We have to keep staff on their toes, fully prepared, 24-hour-a-day operations and coverage for repairs. And then also we've got a lot of depth with outside consulting services that we can bring on board if we need to. And then if you'll research the capital improvement program, you can see the level of investment that we make in both our horizontal and vertical assets. And the soon to be published 2022 proposed CIP will be coming out as well.